All right, so this is Lake Wilburn. This is all grass here before. Had a slope there, built a wall to level it out. Did a chimney with mulch rock veneer. Custom design with wood boxes. 18 by 18 caps for the hearth, cedar mantle, lights. Over the wood boxes, 24 by 12 caps for the CMU block wall with buff smear, flagstone here, flagstone there, lighting throughout the entire yard. I'll put video of that later. Custom cedar trellises, Confederate jasmine there, Carolina jasmine there, edging stone all over the property, strip rubble edging stone. Little walkway here with Mondo because they had Bermuda grass in, wasn't growing too much shade. Edging stone around all the beds. All new plants. This house has been here a year, but did away with the builder grade plants and put in some nicer stuff. Connected all the downspouts, ran them here with pop-up emitters for it to bleed out. All new plants in the front with edging stone. Again, there's lighting all here shining up on the house and these trees. I'll put that up later. So, looks good. Customer's very happy. On to the next one.